Hello. Okay, in this set it is given to us that it's a TV show where you have 16 boxes A through P are grouped as follows. You have in group 1 4 boxes, in group 2 5, and so on. Okay, a participant is asked to open any 12 boxes. Okay, you have to open 12 boxes. At least 3 boxes are to be opened from group 3. So from here you have to open 3 plus. Okay, and at least 2 from the other 3. So you have to open 2 plus, 2 plus, and 2 plus. So at least 9 like this, and the remaining 3 you have some choice. Okay. If E, F or I is open, both BC or JM has to be open. So if E, F or I is opened, both BC have to be open, which is from group 1, or JM have to be open, which is from group 3. Okay, E, right? Okay, if O is open, neither L nor M is open. O is opened, then L and M are from here. So L cannot be opened, M cannot be opened. Let me just write this. My writing is right. Okay, if D or E is not open, then neither M nor M can be opened. Okay, if D is not opened or E is not opened, then M cannot be opened, N cannot be opened, right? So if I flip this, if N is opened or M is opened, then both D and E have to be opened. D and E both have to be opened. Okay, this is the flip case, it is there. Okay, if 3 boxes from group 1 or 5 boxes from group 2 are opened, not more than 2 from group 3 can be opened. Okay, so if 3 boxes from group 1 or 5 boxes from group 2, then not more than 2 can be opened from group 3, and you need to open at least 2, so you'll have to open exactly 2. So 2 have to be opened from group 3. Okay, which means if more than 2 have been opened from group 3, both these conditions will not be met. Okay, and you have all these criteria which are there. Okay, let's try what we can do. Okay, if exactly 3 boxes from group 3 are opened, how many boxes from group 1 must be opened? 3 boxes from group 3 are opened, 3 from group 3 are open. How many are open? Now, okay, see, if you open 2O, if you open O, which is from group 4, both M and L will be rejected. Both M and L will be rejected, which means you can choose only 2 from group 3. Okay, so which is not possible, which means from here O cannot be opened, which means N and P have to be opened. So we know exactly which boxes are opened here. I have to open 3 from here. The moment I open 3 from here, both these criteria are out. So from group 1 you cannot choose 3 boxes, and you cannot choose 1 because you have to choose at least 2. So it has to be 2 or 4. Okay, now you have 5 boxes already done, so balance 7 has to be from here. If I put 2 here, I have to open 5 boxes from here, which is also not possible because this criteria will be violated again. So 2 also cannot be opened. 4 has to be the number of boxes. Okay, so this one is done. Okay, let's try the next one. Which of the following boxes must be opened? 100% sure they must be opened. Now the easiest one to eliminate is G or H, because if you look at it in group 2, there is no restriction at all. In G or H, there is no restriction at all. Only when EFI is any one out of them selected, it is affecting the other groups. So there is no restriction at all. So there should not be any problems in eliminating G or H, one of these two. Okay, do I have to select only M? Now in this case, I could have rejected M and gone ahead. So this is out. Okay, do I have to select D for sure? Let's see if I can reject D and select the others. If I reject D, Okay, I can choose B. You can choose at least 2, right? So if I choose BC, then I can choose all 5 here. Okay, I can choose all 5 here. I can choose B and C from here. Okay, if I choose all 5, then this criteria is met, J and M is met. Okay, if I select O, then okay, let me select 4 from here. I cannot select, I have to select only 2. So you have 2 plus 2, 4 plus 5, 9. Okay, because I have selected J and M, O cannot be selected, so I can select N and P, and I need to select one more. So I can choose A instead of D. So I can reject A also, which means option A will be the correct choice. So instead of trying to see which of them is open, try to reject the values which is there. And I started with G or H, then I did with individual. Leftover was this. Okay, question number 3 says, which of the following pairs are such that they will either be opened together or neither of them is opened? Okay, it is guaranteed that they have to be opened together or both of them have to be rejected. Now again, here there is no restriction over here. So G and H will not have any restriction, so this is out. Let's try BC. Do I have to take BC together? It was not required, right? Because I chose in the previous one, because I chose J and M, I could have rejected C and I could have chosen D. So this is also not there, option D. Okay, this is good. Okay, done. Okay, and the last one says, if O is opened and 5 boxes from group 2 are opened, then which box can be dropped? Okay, let me just erase this part. Okay, you are choosing 5 boxes from group 2 and you are choosing O. Okay, the moment you choose O, M and L are out. So to meet this criteria, JM, okay, JK have to be selected, but JM cannot be selected. So I have to select BC. Okay, so I have selected 2 here, I have selected 2 here, and I have selected 1 here. So that's total of 10. I have to select now 2 more boxes. At least one of them should be selected because I need 2 here, and the third one can be either here or A and D. So C is guaranteed selection because otherwise this will not be there. So C cannot be rejected. Okay, can A be rejected? Yes, A can be rejected. I can reject both of them and select NP. A can be rejected. Can I reject P? Yeah, I can reject P. I can select N and then select A. That is also possible. So this is also option D will be a correct choice. Okay, so this set was, it started out being a little tricky, but once we solved one and got a hang of which group is affecting where, okay, we were able to solve the others pretty quickly straight away. Okay, so that finishes our set.